Okay, buddies, let's take a look at how we can use Premiere's Transcribe feature and ChatGPT to quickly make summaries of your videos. Very useful for kind of YouTube descriptions. Okay, so if Washington DC. So I've got this video here where I'm talking about some old school hip hop samples, a little bit of the history of sampling and stuff like that. And so if I go into window and text, okay. What I'm going to do is transcribe this, okay? Just hit transcribe. Okay, so it's done a very good transcript. There's a couple of unusual words that it's kind of mistaken for something else. For example, Frankenstein should be Funkenstein. So I'll go correct text and I'll just change that to Funkenstein. But pretty accurate most of the time. Okay, it's even sort of found Clive Stubblefield and done the correct capitalization. So there you go. I've got a good transcript there. I won't go through the whole thing, but it's pretty much correct. All right, so I'm going to export that as a text file. So I'll just save that as a text file. Now I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to take that text file. I'm going to drop it into here and just write the words summarize this. There you go. It's come up with a very good summary and I could use that and just post that into my YouTube description. So that's made things very quick and easy. Thanks for watching, buddies.